Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to continue exercise 14.1. Sixth question. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 householders in a locality. We need to find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. Okay, so this daily expenditure and number of householders is given. Number of householders is given. Okay, that is the daily expenditure 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. Okay, and the number of householders 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Okay, just look at the class intervals. Here we have larger values in the class intervals. So I'm going to use the direct method. Next step, we need to find class mark. Class mark, that is xi, then di, then fi into di. Right? So class mark, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 125, 175, 225, 275 and 325. And here the middle value, that is 225. So I am going to choose the value of A as 225. So di is equal to xi minus 225. So 125 minus 225, that is minus 100. 175 minus 225, that is minus 50. 225 minus 225, 0. And 275 minus 225, 50. 325 minus 225, 100. And fi di, 4 into minus 100, that is minus 400. 5 into minus 50, that is minus 250. 12 into 0, 0. 2 into 50, 100. 2 into 100, 200. And the summation fi that we will get it as, summation fi is 25. And the summation of this column fi di, that is equal to minus 350. Okay, summation fi di is equal to minus 350. Now x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi. And this is equal to, what is our a in this case? 225 minus 350 divided by 25. 225 minus 350 divided by 25. And this is equal to 225 minus 14 is equal to 211. Hence, the mean daily expenditure on food is 211 rupees. Seventh question. In seventh question, we need to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Okay, that table is given. We need to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. We need to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Concentration of SO2 and frequency is given. Frequency means Fi. Okay, that is given. Concentration 0.002, 0.04, 0.042, 0.08, and 0.08 to 0.12, 0.122, 0.16, 0.162, 0.20, 0.202, 0.24. Frequency 499,242. Okay, now class mark. Class mark 0.02. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0.02, 0.06, 0.10, 0.14, 0.18 and 0.22. Here you can use direct method, no problem, because the values we have small values, or you can use the assumed method. That is up to you. I'm going to do it by using assumed method, assumed mean method. So I need to find the value of f of the 6i column. Since we have 6 classes, the middle value, we don't have any middle value like this. Either you can choose 0.10 for your A, or you can choose 0.1 for your A. Okay, as I said in the first video, you can choose any value from xi column as your A, no problem. So I'm going to choose 0.14 as my A. Then di is equal to xi minus 0.14, and that is minus 0.12, minus 0.08, 0.0, minus 0.04, 0, 0.04, 0.08. Now fi di. Fi di 4 into 0.12. 4 into 0.12, that is minus 0.48, and 9 into minus 0.08, that is minus 0.72, minus 0.36, 0, 0.16, 0.16. The summation of the fi column, summation fi is equal to 30. The summation of this fi di column, that we will get it as minus 1.24. Okay, the summation of fi di column, that is equal to minus 1.24. So this x bar, and that is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi, and this is equal to 0.14 minus 1.24 divided by 30. 0.14 minus 1.24 divided by 30, and this is equal to 0.14 minus 0.041. 0.14 minus 0.041 equal to 0.099. 0.099. That is the mean concentration of SO2. Now, 8th question. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Number of days, number of students. Okay, 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 38, 38 to 40. 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 40 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 30, 38, 38 to 40. Now number of students 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 3, 1. Summation of this column, that is 40. Now class mark. Class mark, that is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 3. 6 plus 14 divided 6 plus 10 divided by 2, 8, 12, 17, 24, 33 and 39. So here I am going to use the direct method. So FI xi, that is 33. 11 into 3, 33. 10 into 8, 80. 7 into 12, 84. 4 into 17, 68. 4 into 24, 96. 3 into 33, 99. And 1 into 39, that is 39. And the summation of that Fi xi column, 499. 499. And by using the direct method, x bar is equal to summation Fi xi divided by summation Fi. This is equal to 499 divided by 40 is equal to 12.47 approximately. 12.47 approximately. Hence, the mean number of days a student was absent is 12.47 approximately. Ninth question. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. The given information is literacy rate is given in percentage and the number of cities. Number of cities. Okay, the literacy rate 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85 and 85 to 95. Number of cities 3, 10, 11, 8, 3. In the summation of this column, summation Fi is equal to 35. Now class mark, that is our xi, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That we will get it as 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And here I am going to take the value of A as 70. So di is equal to xi minus 70. This is equal to minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20. Now Fi di. Fi di, 3 into minus 20, that is minus 60. 10 into minus 10, minus 100. 11 into 0, 0. 8 into 10, 80. 3 into 20, 60. And the summation of this column, we will get it as minus 20. Now x bar is equal to A plus summation Fi di all divided by summation Fi. A plus summation Fi di all divided by summation Fi. And this is equal to 70 minus 20 by 35. 70 minus 20 by 35. It is equal to 70 minus 0.57. That is 69.43. Hence the mean literacy rate is 69.43. You can do the problems in the exercise question by using direct method or assumed mean method. If the values given in the class interval is small, it is better to use the direct method. Otherwise, you can use the assumed mean method. And in assumed mean method, we need to choose the value of A, that you can choose any value from that class mark, that xi column. You can choose any value from that column as your A. Okay, you will get same answer for each and every value of xi.